The U0155 code means the engine control module or other modules have lost communication with the instrument panel control module. In simple terms, the ECM isn't getting data from the instrument cluster, which can cause issues with the speedometer, fuel gauge, warning lights, or other dashboard functions. The first thing to check is the fuse that supplies power to the instrument cluster. If the fuse is blown, the IPC won't turn on, leading to a communication failure. Replacing the fuse may restore power, but if it blows again, there may be an underlying wiring issue. The second cause could be a weak battery or a bad alternator. If the battery voltage is too low or the alternator isn't charging properly, the IPC may lose power intermittently, causing a loss of communication with the ECM. The third cause could be a faulty instrument panel control module. If the IPC itself is malfunctioning, it may stop transmitting data to the ECM and other modules, which can cause the dashboard to lose function and trigger warning lights. The next cause to check is damaged wiring or loose connectors. If there's a broken wire, loose connector, or corroded terminal in the CAN bus wiring, the ECM and IPC won't be able to communicate properly. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM or another module. While less common, a failing ECM or another module on the CAN network could be preventing communication with the IPC. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.